How to see who shared your post on Facebook. Script, want to see who shared your Facebook post? Here's how. Method 1, check directly from the post. 1, open Facebook. 2, go to your profile or page. 3, find the post. 4, tap on the shares count under the post. If the shares are public, you'll see the list of people who shared it. Method 2, check from notifications. If someone shares your post publicly, you may receive a notification saying, open quote, someone shared your post, close quote. Tap the notification to see who shared it. Important things to know. You can only see shares that are public. If someone shares your post privately or with friends-only privacy, you cannot see their name. If the share count says 1 share but no name appears, it means the share is private. For Facebook pages, if you manage a page, 1, open your post. 2, tap the shares number. 3, you can see public reshares. You can also check insights for total share count, but not private names. Shack final summary, tap the shares number. View public shares, private shares, stay hidden. That's it. Simple and clear.